Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Only Carrots cooking show. I am Leah and today we are going to be making vegan tuna salad. And we'll be finding out whether Tuno or chickpeas make the best vegan tuna salad. Let's get started. I have not tried Tuno before, but I want to give it a go. It comes and looks exactly like tuna. You even find it, I think you even find it in the tuna aisle. I don't know, it's not actually a tuna aisle, but you know, the tinned fish aisle. Wow, that looks totally like fish. Doesn't quite smell like fish, kind of thankfully. I was kind of freaking out. I used to love tuna, and I'm actually going to sneak a little bit because I want to see what it tastes like before I've got it tainted with stuff. It's kind of chopped up in little pieces. It's not as tunery as I expected. It kind of got a good chew about it. Oh, it's got a seaweedy tunery edge. Okay, kind of cool. All right. I don't know the term. I'm just going to say plonk. Plonk the tuna in your bowl. And what I've done is I've taken one pickle for each bowl's worth out of here. It's an Always Fresh brand sweet gherkins whole, just what we had in the fridge. And I'm taking our gherkins, slicing them once long ways and then a few times again, just to create nice itsy bitsy little bits of gherkin or pickles, as you possibly call them over in the States. And just take each pickle and I'm going to add one to the tuna mix. And I'm going to take my chickpeas from my alternative tuna salad. I'm actually just going to roughly mash those just with a fork. I kind of grab the ones that escape. I want it to be kind of chunky because tuna's not smooth, so we want it to be kind of chunky in there. Mash up those chickpeas. I thought that tuna would taste more tunery, so I'm a bit disappointed actually. But you never know, it might come alive again once I've got my soy mayonnaise in there. All right. I think that's pretty good for the chickpeas. There's some that are still whole, but I don't want it to be too smooth. All right, these are just some chickpeas I cooked up myself, but you could just use tin ones as long as you drain them first. All right, so now we've got our chickpeas, and let's just throw in the pickle. Ugh. All right. Now I'm going to take some soy mayonnaise that I made earlier in an episode today. And we're going to add a couple of good heaped tablespoons to each of those salads. All right, stir that in. I may even need a little bit more. The chickpea one looks a little dry. But you don't want it to be too runny because if you're going to have a sandwich, you don't want to be dripping out everywhere. Mind you, if it tastes really good, you may not mind licking it off your hands afterwards. Actually, that seems quite good. Okay, I think I'm going to leave that. That's pretty good for tuna salad. All right, let's go with our Tuno salad. Stir that in. It's kind of in little chunks, this Tuno. Not as flaky as I thought it might be. And that one's a little bit runnier. Probably maybe didn't need quite as much mayonnaise in that one. But now I'm going to put it on our bread and have a little bite. See what we reckon. Now, this would be something you could take to work. Kids' lunch boxes, and if the kids didn't like soggy bread, you can always put it in a container and they can put it on their lunch once they get to school. And this is our homemade bread too. We've got an episode of that, guys, too. Make sure you check it out. Really easy to make. All right, I don't know how high we want to go with it, but that looks pretty good to me. All right. I don't know which one to have first. I tried the tuna already, so maybe I should have that, so that's the flavour that's in my mouth. All right. All right, let's see what we reckon. That is really yummy. That is really good. I would actually rate that very highly. I would say that's like an 8 out of 10. I would have that again. All right, let's compare it. Chickpea tuna, here we go. It needs salt. Hang on. The tuna's salted, so that makes sense. All right, I try again. Okay, I would definitely add some salt in with my chickpea tuna. I would be thinking at least a half, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon in that lot, because it was quite bland, didn't have a whole heap of flavor. But I think that would really lift that mayonnaise that's in there, and you could even maybe put an extra pickle in there. I think it needed something extra. The tuna, however, is so flavored and it's just beautiful. The mayonnaise, it makes the flavor pop. It's just really good, really, really nice. So this one, I reckon we could tweak it and make it a bit better. I'm thinking I'd rate this one about a 3, maybe a 4, but if we added some salt and other flavors, we might be able to lift it a little bit. This tuna, that was really, really yummy. So there you go, guys, a vegan tuna salad. How do you make yours? And have you tried the chickpea version, or maybe you've already made a tuna version yourself? I would love to hear from you, and let me know too if you have a video that you would like us to make just for you. And of course, like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And if you or a friend own an Oculus headset or a VR headset, make sure to keep an eye out for the same episode, but we'll have it released in 180 degrees. So just for something a bit different, just want to let you know when you see a double of the episode, you haven't made a mistake. It's actually just a bit of fun for those VR headset users out there. All right, guys, we will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.